We get some chicken. It's already washed and already clean. All we're going to do is debone it. So first we're going to take the center bone out of the chicken. Okay. Knife underneath, straight out, down the back, and that's the center bone out. See, it's all about just getting the chicken off the back, and that's the bone away. You're left with a nice fillet. Nice clean container, and those are just going to go straight into the container ready for marinating. All I'm going to add today is a little bit of ground masala. Now I'm going to add myself some garlic and coriander. Next I'm going to add some Caribbean all-purpose seasoning, a little touch of that. And last but not least I'm going to add myself a little touch of jerk seasoning. As you can see, you don't want to put too much to overpower. Now it's all about rubbing that in. It's not about leaving it to marinate, just basically rubbing that in. Right? From there, get yourself a nice clean fridge bag or whatever you call it, freezer bag. Put some flour in the bottom of it. Okay? Close the top. And all you're doing is just coating the chicken basically with the flour. Now I've got that chicken flour. I've already got some egg that I've already beaten up, waiting ready to go. Put away. Then I'm going to just take a bit of the chicken out, straight into the egg. As I say, it's no messing around. It can be a bit messy sometimes. Straight into the breadcrumbs over here. Okay, 1 or 2 times so you get a good coat on them. And then I'm just going to leave that to rest over there. Same procedures I'm going to add again is chicken into the egg, straight over into the breadcrumbs. You just mix it around, basically you just want it fully coated. Okay, nice coated. That's too long. Breadcrumbs again. Right, now these are the fillets. Now guys, what I'm going to do with these now, just before I'm ready to fry these, I'm going to get this hammer and I'm going to beat it and dip it back again into some more breadcrumbs, and that's going to be that pan fried. On a nice medium fire, not too high, because you know it's not going to take long because it's filleted chicken. Another side here, and that's 3 now already starting to do. Right guys, I've had these now frying on this side for about 3.5 minutes. I'm just going to slowly turn them, slightly turn them over now, and leave them to fry again for another 5 minutes on that side. It means at the end of it you can guarantee that the chicken is cooked all the way through and nothing will be raw, but it will be still juicy. You're going to drain the water off the cover back into the pan and you're going to close again. What that does, you're going to give it some moisture in the chicken. So I'll put it, drain the water off into the pan, close it back down again. That's going to create some nice steam under there. That means that the chicken is going to be nice, succulent and soft. I'm showing you the final presentation when I finish. It's all about cooking with Core British. There's so much more ideas to come. I'm going to keep it up and stay there until I get back to you.